In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Figma files in Figma. By the end, you'll feel confident bringing your existing .fig files into your workspace using two straightforward methods, the import button and simple drag and drop. Let's start with the import button. Open Figma and go to the Home or Drafts section so you are in the file browser view. This is the central place where all your files appear, making it easy to keep track of new imports. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the Import button. A small menu will appear. Choose from your computer. This tells Figma you want to upload files stored locally. Your system's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your Fig files live, select one or more files you want to bring in, and click Open. You'll see a progress bar appear in Figma. While it uploads, avoid closing the app or navigating away to ensure everything imports cleanly. Once the progress bar completes, click Done. Your files will appear in the file browser grid, ready to go. To start working, simply double-click the file you just imported, and it will open in a new tab within Figma. Now, if you prefer an even faster workflow, you can use drag and drop. With the Figma file browser visible, open your computer's file explorer side by side. Find the Fig file you need and drag it directly into the Figma window. Drop it anywhere in the file browser area, and Figma will create a new file from it automatically. This is ideal when you are moving quickly or importing a single file and don't want to click through menus. Keep in mind, this action works in the file browser view. If you are already inside an open design file, switch back to the Home or Drafts area first. So Figma knows to create a new file from your drop. A few quick tips to help things go smoothly. Larger files may take a bit longer to process, so give the progress bar time to finish. If drag and drop isn't responding, use the import button method as a reliable fallback. And remember, once the file appears in your browser grid, double-click to open it, and you are ready to edit, inspect, or share just like any other Figma document. That's it. Thanks for watching.